Uh, uh, uh.
Hey, did he told us to come here?
What, bro? Can you please tell me where are you taking me? Not to sell my kidneys, right?
This guy, not keeping
Hey,
quiet.
Gora.
Hey, look at him.
Uh,
He looks like an astrologer, huh?
Yes, brother. I can see Lakshmi goddess in your eyes. How much ever you earn, it will not stay in your hand.
Bro, shall we ask for astrology?
Why the additional expenses?
Oh, is it?
Why not? Brother, if you give me 1500, we can finish it up. Give, brother. Only 1500 rupees. I'll change your fate. You don't want, huh? God is seeing from up. Don't increase your sin counts, brother. Who is going to save you?
hey, tell the truth, da. Where are you taking me?
Hey, I'm not able to bear his torture. By the time Vicky comes, we'll at least talk to the astrologer. We'll have some time pass. Come.
Yeah, don't leave me and go.
What? Can you tell the astrology properly? Huh?
Why are you asking me like that, brother? That is why I'm sitting here, right? Why are you doubting on him? Let's test him, no?
Okay, give him 100 rupees.
You are asking money from me only.
Hey.
I have this much only.
Please take.
Whose fate I should see of you three now?
Here, for the small boy only.
What did you tell for me?
You are too scared, no? You only ask.
These guys are gonna do something for me.
Rahu, Sunny. 1, 3, 6.
Hey, bro. What is he thinking so much?
I think you may die.
What did you tell?
Yes, brother. The way you are going, you'll get lot of troubles. Your fate is going to be devastated in upcoming days.
What should I do now? Tell that.
Nothing, brother. If you give one more 100.
I think you will drink and sleep. No 100, no beer.
I told you right time, right? This guy is a fraud. Let's go now.
Guys, don't tell like that. Don't leave him this way. Give him at least 100 now.
Our Vicky has come now.
Hey, come, let's go.
Oh.
Hey, tell something, no? This fellow said something and all now. What is that? I will go first. First, I'll keep off this
guys,
luggage.
What are you all doing here?
Just for time pass, we are talking to the astrologer.
Hey guys, come on. What nonsense. Fine, come
Okay,
on.
get in.
Ready, bro? Let's go.
First you sit properly, you shorty.
Enough, da.
Hey, short dog, go open the gate.
What? Me?
You are scared to open the gate also. Go.
Fine, guys, get down.
Hey, bro. What, bro? This is like this. It is. Oh God.
This house is good, yeah? Did you buy it?
None of your business, I guess. You have come here, right? Just enjoy.
Okay.
What to enjoy? Looking at this building only, I'm feeling like somewhat puking.
Hey, shut and come.
Hey,
Hey, come, bro.
Oh my god. What is there on top? Oh god.
Hey, what happened, da?
I fell from the stairs, da.
Ayo, he's one.
Oh god, what happened?
Hey, we'll sit here only, da.
Guys, let us sit there.
Oh, we'll sit
Hey,
there.
We'll sit
It's good
here
here
only.
only,
We'll
sit
sit here only.
Hey, Akshi.
See,
He
he's
is
a
one.
face.
Just sit down, you idiot.
Shorty.
Okay.
Put.
1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3.
Aha, nice card, da.
4, 4.
Oh,
5,
wow.
5, 5.
Hey, it's super, da.
6, 7, 7,
I got it.
8.
I think I'll get Rummy. Hey, short buddy, what you got, da?
11, 12, 13.
Hey, if I get all 13 jokers, I will only win, no?
This one, that one, and this one, and again this, that.
Joker, all are joker. I'll be joker, I'll be winner.
Super card star.
Eh, Rummy, got it.
Not even a single card has
Mm.
come. Cheh.
Mm. Mm.
Ah,
Mm. Mm.
hey, shorty. Hey, you only, da. Play, da. What are you looking at? Hey, you mad? Play, here.
Why aren't you playing here and looking there like a fool?
Hey, something went there, da.
Eh? Hey, you're just wasting the time telling that something went there, something came here. Play the game, man.
Hey, bro. Seriously, something went there.
Nothing like that happened. You just play here.
Hey, bro. Whatever it is, just go once and see, da. Please, da.
Hey, this guy won't let us play until he finds out what is it. Just check it out once.
You short, buddy. Two, chi. Same place disturbing in between.
Hey, if he returns telling that there's nothing, I'll hit you in your face.
Nobody is here. Hey, you know what? Hey, you know what?
Hey, did you see? Something was there, no?
Yeah. It's there. Your dead body. Nothing is there, da.
Bro, something is really there.
Hey, you scary poo. Don't play with me. Just play with the cards. Play.
One, 2,
If
Two,
we play like this,
two,
we'll finish tomorrow
two.
only.
3.
Hey, what are you doing, bro? Are you distributing cards or counting 1, 2, 3 like LKG, UKG children? Hey, put it fast. Hey, give it here. Hey, bro, you take it, mix it,
give here.
and you distribute it.
Look, no, what I'm going to do with my cards. I have a good fate.
Oh my god.
What happened to him?
Hey, why are you getting scared so much, man? What's wrong with you? Yeah, all the alcohol has gotten down because of him. I must and should drink now. Your wallet, right?
అయ్యో ఐ ఫర్గాట్ టు గెట్ దట్
Hey,
ఓన్లీ
come, let's go.
Bro, get me one beer.
Hey, you are a beer bottle yourself. You need beer.
యు స్టే హియర్ విల్ గో అండ్ కమ్
Bro, I will also come.
Okay, come.
Bro. Bro. I will only go and see. Not me, not me, not me, don't take me. No,
hey,
no.
hey, it's not a ghost, it's me.
Hey, you are. I thought someone and I got scared.
No devil, nothing. Why did you come here at this time?
Hey, I heard Jeep horn sound.
Jeepa. All are sleeping inside. How can only you hear, da?
Hey, listen. I'm telling truth, da. I heard Jeep sound not once, twice.
Hey, if you keep talking like this, I will tie you to the jeep only. Hey, you understood now? Get inside. Short buddy. You come. Go in. You spoiled everybody's sleep. Lazy fellows, still they're sleeping. Ah. Hello? Hey, kid. Hey, turn no. Who are you? Hey, kid. Hey, girl. I'm calling you. You're not turning. Huh? Hey. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Hey, kid. Hey, boys. Hey, bro.
guys, ghost, hey, ghost, guys, get up, everyone, get up, guys, get up, guys, ghost, get up, guys, get up.
Hey, what's your problem, man?
Hey, conjuring evil that ghost is there.
What ghost? Have you been drinking from morning?
Hey, really, I'm telling, there's ghost in that garden. You go see.
From last night, he's blabbering the same thing.
Hey, really, I'm telling, go to the garden and see.
Hey, come, let's go see what's there.
Come, let's go.
Come. Why did he even come with us?
Either?
Idiot, she's just a girl. How can you call her a devil?
Slap him left and right.
Chee.
Short buddy.
Hey, girl. Hey. What's your name, buddy? Where do you live? How did you get here? What are you doing here? Why isn't she speaking anything? Hope she isn't dumb. Why aren't you speaking, buddy? You eat something? Hey!
What buddy?
Get those chips and biscuits for the girl.
Okay. Go and get it.
Let's go.
I won't go.
This guy is so scared. Come, let's go.
They said me and dad going together.
Take these. Take these, kid. Hey, where's the short fool?
He is there.
He is dying with fear, da.
Hey, why do these people even exist? Come, let's go.
Come da.
Bro.
What's your problem, da?
Bro. Again I heard that orange
Hey,
sound.
no harm, nothing. Sleep, da. Same thing daily.
Only I am listening this sound. Why is it happening to me?
Huh? Hey. Who would have done this? Nobody's here also. nobody's here. The swing is swinging. Huh? Huh?